Hi there and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to convert your Excel spreadsheet into professional PDF file. It's quick, it's easy, and it can make your work stand out. Stick around and let's get started. So this is the data in which we have the sales report and I want to convert it into PDF format. Before saving this document into PDF format, first just look into different formatting options so that when it is saved into PDF format, it looks perfectly fine. For this purpose, I'll go to this page layout option. Under the page layout, I will click this arrow sign to open the page setup. And in the page setup, I will select this landscape. Next is the scaling. We can adjust the size to our requirement. I will keep it to 100%, that is the normal size. Another important option is the page size. So we can change the page size to our requirement. I will keep it to letter size. After setting the page, next is the margins. So when I go to this margin option, you can see that we can set the top, bottom, left and right margins, as well as you can notice that the document is present in the top left corner of the page. If I want to center it, I will click this center horizontally. When I check this, now you can see that the document is present in the center of the page. After setting this, the next option is the header and footer. So for example, if I want to add header to this document, then I will click this header, and here in the center, for example, if I want to write the sales report, and on the right I want to add the date, so I will click here and then select this date option and then click OK. Similarly, I can set the footer. For example, if I want to add the page number to the footer, I will select it. The next option is the sheet. Under the sheet, I have different options. For example, if I want to see the grid line in my PDF document, then I will check it. Similarly, if I want to see the black and white, draft quality, as well as row and column heading, I can check and uncheck these options as per my requirement. I'll keep them to uncheck and just click OK. Now our page is set to save in the PDF format. To save it in PDF format, I'll go to this file and select this save as. Click this browse to open different options. I will choose the location where I want to save. For example, I want to save it on desktop. I will give name to this file. For example, I name it to sales report. The next important step is the save as type. So I will click to open different options, and under this option I will select PDF format, and after this I just need to click save. So it will save my document in PDF and automatically open to preview it. I'll just close it and go to the place where I have saved it and see. So here you can see that the document is present in the PDF format. I can just click it to open and see that the document is present in the formatting that we have set with the headers and footer as well. And that's a wrap on converting your Excel file to PDF. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button for more great tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.